If you're gonna take your productions to the next level, and I'm talking like actually being able to show people exactly what you're seeing, whether that's doing product reviews or that's filming your inventory to post online. So whether that's filming product reviews or taking pictures of inventory that you're trying to post online, sometimes the best way to get the best video possible is with a good light. Now, we've lived full-time RVing, and so my light is a little tiny, but it packs a really strong punch. But if you had a studio light, then you're gonna want a studio light tripod. This actually will raise 9 feet. That's crazy height, and this right here is air cushioned. So it's gonna slowly go down just like that, and then you can lock it in place. So you want full height, you can put it right there, lock the legs just like that into place, and then you can easily raise it up. I'm gonna show you this without the light right here. You got yourself a baby pin, or you can also, in my case, just use a standard tripod holder right here. So you can change this out if you wanted to, but this is perfect for those studio lights. So this thing can go up to 9 feet, but for me, I don't need it that because it would just be way too tall. So we do a lot of filming of our products right here that we're gonna put into our store. So that's what we do. I need something lightweight, compact, and can easily fold up and be out of the way just like this, because when you're living life on the road, you want stuff that can easily fold up, tuck away, and put away. So if you want to level up your photography, videography, inventory game, then you probably would like a light stand just like this with a professional light on there, and that's going to do the trick for you.